How to buy train tickets online in China. 12,306 app. Masterclass 2026. China's high-speed rail network is the envy of the world. But for travelers, the ticket buying process can feel like trying to solve a puzzle without the instructions. Hey everyone, Joe here, and welcome back to the Middle Kingdom Code. This channel is your ultimate guide to navigating China with confidence. We translate the complex systems from tech to tickets to traditions into simple, actionable steps you can use right now. If you want to travel smarter, subscribe and hit the bell for your weekly dose of clarity. Today, we're cracking one of the most important codes for any trip: how to buy train tickets in China using the official 12,306 app. Forget the myths about needing a Chinese phone number or passport verification. Hell, as of January 2026, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, on this screen. You'll walk away with a ticket in your hand and the confidence to book any journey. We're covering 4 critical stages: 1. The setup, 2. The search, 3. The booking, and 4. The boarding. Let's get you riding. Before you search for a single ticket, you need your digital foundation. This is the part most guides gloss over, and it's why people fail. Step 1. Download the right app. Go to your app store and search for 12306. You want the official app from China Railway Corporation. The icon is a blue square with a red Chinese character on it. Download it. Do not use a third-party site for this tutorial. We're going straight to the source for the best prices and direct control. Step 2. The account registration. Your key to the system. Open the app. You'll see an option for My 12,306 or a person icon. Tap Register. Here's the 2026 reality check. Yes, you can use a foreign passport. Select Passport from the ID type drop-down. You will need to input your passport details exactly as they appear. This includes your name in all caps, your passport number, and the expiration date. The trickiest part for many is the phone number. You have 2 options. First, a Chinese number is easiest, but second, and this is crucial for 2026, many foreign numbers now work for registration and SMS verification. Try yours. If it fails, you can use the number of a trusted friend or a hotel. The system sends a verification code via SMS. Complete the registration. Once you're in, go immediately to My Account or Personal Information and add your passport details again as a passenger. This links your identity to your profile for booking. Do this now. I'll wait. Stage 2. Mastering the search. With your account ready, let's find a ticket. The home screen has a simple search panel. Choose your cities. Type in Beijing and Shanghai. Use the pinyin or English names. The app will find them. Select your date. The schedule is released 15 days in advance. Mark your calendar. Popular routes sell out fast. Now tap Search. You'll see a list of trains. Understanding the codes. G trains, the fastest, true high speed. Top priority. D trains, still high speed, slightly slower, sometimes cheaper. C trains, intercity services. For most travelers, G trains are your best bet. Look at the seating classes: business class Shangwu, luxurious, expensive; first class Yideng, spacious, quiet; second class Erdung, perfectly comfortable, the best value. This is what 90% of travelers book. See the price and the availability. If it says you, or shows a number, there are seats. If it says Hubu, it means waitlist. We'll get to that. Stage 3. The booking payment. You've found your train. Tap on it. Now, the decisive moment. Step 1. Select passengers. Tap the names you added earlier, your travel partners. Step 2. Choose seats. In second class, you can often pick a preference: aisle, window, or near the aisle. The system will auto-assign if your preference is gone. Don't stress over this. Step 3. Submit the order. You'll have a 15-minute timer to pay. Payment. The 2026 game changer. The 12,306 app now accepts several international payment methods. Alipay, TourPass, and major international credit cards like Visa or MasterCard are often integrated. Look for the card icons. If you hit a wall, the foolproof method is to link your Chinese bank card if you have one, or use WeChat Pay or Alipay if you've set those up with your passport. Complete the payment. Congratulations. You'll see a confirmation screen with your seat assignment, carriage number, and ticket number. Stage 4, Boarding and Troubleshooting. You have the ticket. Now, how do you use it? You do not need a paper ticket. Your passport is your ticket. At the station, go straight to the security check. Then, find your train's departure gate. You will use your passport at the automatic ticket gates. Place it on the passport reader. The glass doors will open. That's it. Pro tips and troubleshooting. Waitlist Hubu. If your train is sold out, join the waitlist. You'll pay up front. If a seat becomes available, it will be automatically assigned to you. You can join multiple waitlists. Changing or refunding. In the My Tickets section, you can easily change or refund tickets for a small fee. Do this before the train departs. The golden rule: always bring the exact passport you booked with. The scanner will compare the chip data to your ticket. No exceptions. Mastering the 12,306 app is the single biggest unlock for independent travel in China. It turns a daunting network into your personal travel superhighway, and that right there is the mission of the Middle Kingdom Code. We take the systems that seem intimidating and give you the key. If this guide saved you from overpriced agency fees or total confusion, do us a huge favor. Smash that like button. It tells YouTube this video is helpful. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. We've got deep dives on everything from mobile payments to hidden food streets coming your way. And share this with a friend planning a trip. Let's build a community of savvy travelers. Thanks for watching. Remember, the code is there to be cracked. Now go book that ticket.